One wrong default route can bring down your entire network. Let's understand a real-world network design. We have two routers connected to two ISPs. Both routers connect to switches and then to access switches. The primary router learns the default route from the ISP using BGP. As you can see, 0.0.0.0 is present in the routing table. We do not trust the ISP link blindly. We verify reachability using IP SLA. The router continuously checks connectivity and this controls whether the default route should exist or not. Now we configure a static default route, but this route is linked to the tracking object. This means the route will exist only when the ISP is reachable. Now OSPF advertises the default route into the network, but it will advertise only when the default route exists in the routing table. And that depends on its connected, IP SLA, tracking static route, and OSPF. Now everything is working correctly. Traffic flows from the access switch to the core switch, then to the primary router to the internet. The core is using the default route learned through OSPF. Now let's simulate a failure. The ISP link goes down. IP SLA detects the failure and the tracking object goes down. The tracking is down, so the static default route is removed. And now OSPF stops advertising the default route. This prevents any black hole in the network. Now the secondary router takes over. It advertises the default route into OSPF and traffic automatically shifts to the backup path. Let's verify on the core switch. The default route is coming from the secondary router. This confirms that failover is successful. Now let's look at the wrong configuration. If we use default information originate always, the router keeps advertising the default route even when the ISP is down. Traffic is still going to the primary router, but the ISP is down. Packets are dropped and failover does not happen. Let's compare both designs. In the correct design, the default route is removed when the ISP fails and traffic shifts to the backup router. In the wrong design, the router keeps advertising a default route and traffic gets dropped. This is Anand networking tutorial. I have uploaded multiple videos on routing and security on this channel. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel.